Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Kalpana Sharma, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC Government College, अजमेर। बच्चों, आज के लेक्चर में मैं आप लोगों को सेल ऑर्गेनल माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के बारे में डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, दीज आर नोन एज द पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल्स। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया जो है वो दो शब्दों से मिलकर के बना है। ग्रीक वर्ड माइटो मीन्स थ्रेड एंड कॉन्ड्रियन मीन्स ग्रेन्यूल्स। दीज आर ग्रेन्युलर or filamentous organoids of cytoplasm, known as powerhouse of the cell, as they convert the potential energy of foodstuff into kinetic energy and are associated with cell respiration. अगर हम माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की हिस्ट्री देखें या इसकी डिस्कवरी के डिटेल में जाएं तो आप इस स्लाइड में देखेंगे कि सबसे पहले फ्लेमिंग ने 1882 में सबसे पहले माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को ऑब्जर्व करा और उन्हें फिला नाम दिया। फ्लेमिंग इन 1882 फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्व्ड माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एंड नेम देम एज फिला। After that came Altman. Altman in 1894 described mitochondria as bioplast. After Altman came the Benda. Benda in 1897 introduced the term mitochondria. In 1912, Kingsbury related them to the cellular respiration. डिस्कवरी बेंडा ने इंट्रोड्यूस कर दी टर्म, उसके बाद में कि ये कोशिकीय श्वसन से संबंधित होते हैं ये किंग्सबेरी ने बताया। बेंसले एंड हॉर इन 1934 आइसोलेट माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया फ्रॉम लिवर सेल्स। पोर्टर एंड पैलेट डिस्क्राइब माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया in their electron microscopic structure. Now the distribution of mitochondria. कोशिका के अंदर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया कहाँ कहाँ पाए जाते हैं इसके बारे में अब हम देखेंगे। The mitochondria are found in all eukaryotic cells, but they are absent in prokaryotic cells. Why they are absent in prokaryotic cell? Because their respiratory enzymes are located on plasma membrane. They are not found in prokaryotic cells. Mitochondria are absent in RBCs. They are localized to those particular sites which are engaged in the metabolic activity. During cell division, mitochondria accumulate near the spindle and form rings around the microfibrillar band in the muscle cells. They either move freely in the cytoplasm or are permanently placed near the region which needs more energy. कहाँ पे ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं? उन भागों में ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं जहाँ पे ऊर्जा की सबसे ज़्यादा आवश्यकता होती है। अब हम बात करेंगे माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया की संख्या की या नंबर की। द माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल नंबर वेरीज फ्रॉम सेल टू सेल। There is only one mitochondria in Micromonas, less than 10% in yeast, and several hundreds or even thousands in tissue of vertebrates. About 1000 to 1600 of mitochondria occur in normal liver cells, 50,000 in coes, 140,000 and 150,000 in the eggs of sea urchin, and about 3 lakhs in oocyte. Their highest number occurs in flight muscle of certain insects, where these are known as sarcomeres. The number of mitochondria bears a constant relation with the functional state of the cells. Size. इसका साइज कैसा होता है? द साइज ऑफ द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया डिपेंड्स अपॉन द फंक्शनल स्टेज ऑफ द सेल. The width is about 0.5 mu, but the length varies greatly, measuring from 1.5 to 10 mu. The smallest mitochondria are found to have a length of 40 mu. The oocyte of amphibians are recorded to have mitochondria of about 20 to 40 mu in length. Shape. Typically, the mitochondria are sausage-shaped, but they may be granular, filamentous, rod-shaped, spherical, or thread-like. During functional stages, they may assume club shape, vesicular, or rod shape. Now we are going to see the ultra structure of mitochondria. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को हम अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप में ऑब्जर्व करें तो वो किस तरह का उसका स्ट्रक्चर दिखाई देता है. अंडर इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप अ माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया अपीयर्स एज डबल walled structure or double membraned structure like an ice box or thermos bottle. It consists of an outer and inner membrane, and enclosed within them are two compartments or chambers. So here in this slide you can see that there are two chambers, there are two membranes, mitochondrial membrane. First is the outer membrane and the second is the inner membrane. There are two chambers of mitochondria, the outer chamber and inner chamber. Mitochondrial crest or cristae and elementary particles. So this is about the different types of structure which are found in mitochondria. Now we are going to see the detailed structure of mitochondria. Here in this picture you can see that this is the outer membrane, this is inner membrane. Inner membrane is folded into numerous cristae, finger-like projection. These are known as cristae. First of all, we will talk about the mitochondrial membranes. Both the mitochondrial membranes are trilaminate under membrane about 60 to 70 angstrom thick. Outer mitochondrial membrane. Outer mitochondrial membrane forms uninterrupted outer boundary of mitochondria and isolate its content from the cytosol or cytoplasm. At point, it is connected with the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. The outer membrane is freely permeable to various soluble metabolites, entering into the mitochondrial matrix from the cytosol. Now the inner mitochondrial membrane. Inner mitochondrial membrane projected into the central space in the form of finger-like projections or inpushings. Now we'll talk about the mitochondrial chambers. There are two chambers in the mitochondria. They are namely outer mitochondrial chamber and the another one is inner mitochondrial chamber. Outer mitochondrial chamber. Outer mitochondrial chamber is an intramembranous or perichordal space between the outer and inner membrane which extends into the core of crests. It is 60 to 80 angstrom and filled with low density fluid. Now we'll talk about the inner mitochondrial membrane. Inner mitochondrial membrane is a space enclosed within the inner membrane. It is filled with a homogeneous mitochondrial matrix. The matrix is gel-like, contain high concentration of proteins, some lipids, circular DNA, 70S ribosomes, and a few filament of granules. Granules are the sites for the binding bivalent cations of magnesium and calcium. Third is the mitochondrial crest or cristae. The space and arrangement of cristae is variable, parallel to the long axis of mitochondria. They may be perpendicular to the long axis of mitochondria. They may be concentrically arranged like in spermatids, interlaced to form villi as in amoeba, cristae in the form of vesicles, arranged in a tubular fashion. They are haphazardly arranged, cristae extremely small or irregular. Mitochondria is elementary particles or F1 particles, or we can call them as mitochondrial particles, or we can call them as oxysomes or ETP or electron transport particles. According to an earlier description, to outer surface of the outer membrane and the inner surface of the inner membrane were supposed to be covered with thousands of small particles. Those on outer membrane were described as being stockless and were called the subunit of person. There may be as many as 10,000 to 1 lakhs particles per mitochondria. The inner membrane and the crest are covered with special stocked particles. They are F1 particles, and the F1 particles are differentiated into 3 parts. A is the base part, B is a stalk, and the C is a head piece. The stalk is about 50 Angstrom and head piece is about 75 to 100 Angstrom in diameter. There are about 10 to 10 filaments particles per mitochondria. F1 particles में base piece contains the enzymes of electron transport chain and the head piece contains enzymes of ATPase system and coupling factor, which brings about oxidative phosphorylation. Thank you.